Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. So let's move on to our Bitcoin update without wasting any time. First of all, I'm just gonna give you guys a beautiful update of what's happening on the higher time frame. Last few weeks were pretty good for us just because of spot, but unfortunately we had a stopped out position as well on the higher time frame on BTC because we longed something around 91, 92k probably, and this just stopped us before going back up. But eventually we had a lot of spots as well there, so it's pretty fine. Like yeah, we are overall in a nice profits because of sports. Yeah, and yes, I'm booking a lot of profits again over here. The reason is technically, yeah, we have a very nice on the daily time frame FAG here, FAG, and that FAG is basically included by some of the previous resistances as well, like this one. So yeah, kind of value area high of this ranging, and probably the price might come back again lower. So this just might make a value area high here, value area low over here, and just deviate value area low later on again. So probably a kind of ranging is coming up next, like range low over here, range high over something like over here. So that's why I'm just being pretty cautious here, as well as one of the major factor is recently you guys would have seen this Trump coin. Oh my god, this coin have grabbed almost everything from the market. Look at this. This is just a single example of a Trump coin. Now you guys can see some of the other Trump coins as well. Some other coins naming themselves as Trump coins and grabbing a lot of liquidity. Like look at this. It's basically trading at $3. The previous was at probably 28 or something like that, and now there is Mega as well is trading around $1.63. So everything naming Trump have taken a lot of liquidity from the markets. Yeah, the official one have taken more than like 10 billion. So uh, might be even more because I haven't checked recently, and I'm pretty out of the derivatives currently, just because a lot of volume is just being sent to the Trump coin. So I'm pretty scared as well on the higher time frame. Like what's gonna happen? Bitcoin might hold, BTC might hold the current position, and might even make some rangings over there. And talking about altcoins, I think a lot of liquidity is already taken by Trump coins, so not interested right now into altcoins. XRP, yeah, I do think so. This might go back up and make some more massive moves on the higher time frame, because this looks pretty bullish. Yeah, and the thing is that it have already taken one FEG of the previous upside and made a high low over here, made new high. So in my opinion, whenever this makes a new high after making the current new highs, this might draw an FEG over here, might make an FEG, or might make it even a little kind of higher OB pattern. Higher OB pattern basically means like this might make something like this, higher low, higher high, a small higher low, then a higher high. So this order block will be most probably a good entry for the upside. So to be honest, for a lot of coins I have taken a lot of profits, and what I'm looking for is that the liquidity the Trump coin have taken will be coming back to markets, not immediately. Like that might take couple of weeks as well. So that's why I'm being a little skeptic, and I'm being a little cautious as well. Whereas Ether, whereas Ether, you guys can see that currently this coin have just done some significant moves towards downside, wherever Bitcoin have made a very big impulsive candle, but Ether has still lagged a lot. But I have picked up already some higher time frame ethers on this FVG, but not looking for a little or like 5 to 10% move. Probably whenever this will move up, I'll be looking for a new all-time high, but does not seem so, because a lot of community is already waiting for Ethereum all-time high. So yeah, wherever the most people are waiting for, that's your longest trade, like the the long hold one. And one of the biggest motive of making this video is to share this chart with you. Yeah, I have shared this chart with you most probably like 2 months ago, yeah, over here. And after the first, now this is second month, and the price have already taken some of my orders, and I'm gonna buy ether BTC in between these orders over here. And this is going to be life-changing trade for a lot of people if they try to make their long-term wealth. Like, this is a very big setup, like straight away 216% I'm targeting, might be even more. And the stops are like, yeah, the risk reward is pretty nice, like 4, but I'm still looking for investing more than my usual trade. Like, for example, for a long term coin, I always look for kind of 20 to 30, or like 15 to 20% of my portfolio, depending on the separate long-term portfolio. For example, I have a portfolio of $100, and I have kept $20 for the long term, or $50 for the long term. Just giving you guys an example. So if I'm having $50 for the long term, I'm just gonna throw 30 or 35 into this one, because this is going to be a very uh, kind of say that very low risky trade. And I have a lot of beliefs and more conflicts other those are working, and I'm looking for a very good trade towards 0.100 level. Like, ether should be zero point 0.1 of Bitcoin. So that's the actual thing I'm looking for. So let's move on to some other things, like Bitcoin dominance in the past have done a lot of impulsive moves. And what I do think so is that there is going to be the last impulse of Bitcoin over here, probably something like a deviation. And I'm still looking for this, even though when BTC dominant dropped over here, I still said that I'm still looking for something like this, because this deviation will make a lot of sense for the downside move. So after that, this is the lower target, it might be over here as well. So that's why I'm basically selling a lot of coins, because the BTC dominance is going to go up, and the coins might either fluctuate between some specific ranges, or like just consolidate and then will dump pretty badly when the Bitcoin dominance will reach this level. And that will be a very nice time to accumulate more, and to throw the same coins from your Binance or your exchanges to your wallets for a couple of months, and you're gonna witness a lot of nice and secured big gains. So this was the motto of making this video, and probably I'm gonna see you guys pretty soon. For BTC, I'm repeating once again that my higher time frame bias is not bullish, not bearish. The thing is that Trump coin is basically taking all of the liquidity, and this is not going to go straight away towards 120 or something like that. It is going to consolidate a little bit more, like this. Probably will be making some more ranges over here, like wasting your time. So same thing, I think so. What happened before here, that's going to be the same thing, and this might even make some more closer lower highs as well, like here and here. So this is what I'm looking for on the higher time frame of Bitcoin. I'm not seeing 120,000 pretty soon. Might be like a couple of months, couple of weeks, might be even some it might be like a lower time frame top over here at 108k as well. This is Bitcoin. This can do anything. Like, this can do anything. That's impossible as well. So this is my proper bias, and everything is pretty clear. And the main thing is, I'm been making a challenge of 20 to 25 trades in the next month, being consistent, and I'm gonna post a lot of trades in the coming month, hopefully, because I'm working on a very nice strategy and just working so far for me. I just want a couple of days for back testing, and then hopefully I'm just going to throw all the trades very soon, publicly as well as, yeah, on the Discord. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.